Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to help you how you can start to use NetSuite about to help you on this moment through what we are going to have through we are going to know and understand on the situation that is about to help you guys on the moment that is about to help you on the moment that is going to be really integrated through the explanation of what we are going to see and how we can start to underestimate through it on this moment, as you can see. And about that is about we really some important things to be important. So about that is about right here to visit Oracle NetSuite website. Click on started, get started, enter your name and your email and then phone number. Choose a username and password. Click a started new suite edition that fits your business needs. To read and accept the terms and conditions, click the submit. NetSuite are also provides expert consultations service to help to determine which edition of the software aligns with the best of your business requirements. And that is all to help you.